At Pantaloon Summer 2019 in Doha, we have a wonderful actor here with us. I think, sir, life, we need music to brighten up every single day. And I think that's exactly what Jio Savan is doing to Pantaloon Saima. It's going to brighten up our evening. And I think I've heard a lot of actors say they draw a lot of inspiration from music. Like if it's a sad scene, they say they listen to a sad song and go ahead and perform it. Is there something like that for you? Like any methodology that you use when you perform?
I have no such methodologies, but usually I listen A.R. Rahman music often and often.
Okay. What is your favorite song, sir, of Rahman sir's?
ரஹ்மான் சாரோட சாங்கில் கன்னத்தில் முத்தமிட்டால் படத்தில்
Okay.
ஒரு தெய்வம் தந்த பூவே என்னோட ஃபேவரேட் சாங். அப்புறம் இடைகடு எங்கள் நாடே அந்த அந்த பாட்டு.
வாவ், நிறைய கருத்துள்ள பாடல்கள் தான் உங்களுடைய ஃபேவரட்டா இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் இல்லைங்களா? ரொம்ப டீப் திங்கிங். At Pantaloon Summer 2019, we have an electrifying actor with us in electric blue today. Prajwal looking really nice.
Color right, thank you.
Most welcome. But I must say, I've never done this before. But I kind of eavesdropped into your other red carpet interviews, and I just heard men going gaga over you. Like I just, everybody going all, oh my God, he's giving competition to handsome men. How does it feel to be a man with so much fan following from almost everybody?
I mean, you can just say it in one word. It's a blessing. And thanks to my father, he's been a big star in the industry. So the love continues from him to me. But the biggest challenge was to keep up to what he's, the benchmark. So I guess I've done that to an extent, and all the love from the people makes it even better.
I can imagine the pressure, but I must tell your father that, sir, he's done such a fabulous job. I think I am like evidence and proof that everybody here is absolutely loving him.
Blush now.
But tell us, how do you feel about being here at Saima? Because this is almost like a festival, right? All four industries coming together. How do you feel about being a part of this event?
It is. It's awesome. We get to spend time, discuss films, and in the afternoon, me, Vijay, and the director Sandeep, all of us, Yash, we were all sitting together talking cinema, and it was great. I mean, you get to meet people, and we get to think about work, what we can do in the future with each other. So it's fabulous.
I think that's something great about South Indian cinema as well, right? Like they're always so encouraging of other languages.
We are all very cordial.
Absolutely. So if in the last year you could mention probably an actor or a film that really made an impact on you, what would that be?
In our industry, my best bud, Yash, and the KGF team, and I mean, we just said, hey, hello, we're here and we're doing extremely well too, and we conquered the market, and I just can't call it pan-Indian anymore. It's pan-international now.
Absolutely. It got a mark in the world market, I must say. But if from the other three languages, if there was a movie that you caught and like you were really impressed by it, could you mention that for us?
Because Arjun Reddy, Vijay and Sandeep's film, and it was very out there, it was very new, and they were very brave in making a film like that, and the people loved them. I'm doing a film called Arjun Gowda now, but it's not a remake.
Okay.
So everybody's asking me, sir, is it Arjun Reddy? Are you doing Arjun Reddy? I said, no, this is something else. It's just the name similar. So that's the impact that film's made on everyone.
Oh, then on behalf of all the fans who are watching out there, all the very best, and we hope that makes a big impact and you come back with several nominations next year. But here we're also here to talk about music. So we have Jio Savan right behind us. So if there is a song that you really enjoyed in the last year that kept ringing in your playlist, what would that be?
I have Savan on my phone too. So I did a film last year called Life Jate on Selfie. So the title track of that is what I keep listening to on Savan.
I think that's what all of us kept listening to, I must say.